Welcome to the HFT Stocks and Options Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Monday, July 8, 2013. For the Volatility Index, the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on the VIX, we have a very bullish reading on July with 34% of the total premiums paid, a bearish reading on August with 41% of the total premiums paid, and the overall dollar-weighted put-call ratio, we have a neutral reading. Here we have the daily chart for SPX. You could see here we were almost 8.5 handles up today. Continuation from Friday, breaking this descending trend line and that's what we get here above the 50-day moving average. Next line we are going to get some support, some resistance. Is gonna be 1654. That's gonna be the level to watch. I remain very skeptical of this rally here. I believe we're going to 1600 from here. Let's look at the Qs. Here we have the daily chart for the Qs. Today we were up only 0.10% for the day. You could see here we're still hanging above the 50-day moving average. No volume here on this rally, as you could see it here. Lately, I believe we're going lower from this on, so I'm looking for a 71.5 as the next target. 70.5, sorry. IWM, we're bearish on IWM, looking for 97. That's gonna be the target here, a test of that 50-day moving average and a break of that upward trend line. You can see here the volume has been pretty light, and we were basically in between that consolidation channel. I expect us to go lower from here and trade maybe to 97, 96. For the metals, today we have a bounce on the metals. Let's go to the GLD chart first. You could see it here trading around 119.50, up 1.25 basically, on not much volume here. I'm bearish, but here, as I said, it's hard to trade it since we're pretty big oversold here. We've been trading almost 30 or 40% down from this year. I would be neutral here. If I see a 125 level, I would get short. SLV, I'm bearish longer term. Also, we have a 1.15% up for the day. If we get to 2021, I would start a short position, but from here I'm just neutral. Going to the stocks, here we have the daily chart for Apple, and we talked about not being able to hold the 419 level, not even basically for a day, and you got this down day today. I expect lower prices. This stock cannot seem to get no follow through to the upside, so basically 400 is going to be the next target, and as I mentioned, if we get to 385, I would not longer try to get long there. Google, we had a 900 target short term. Today we met that target, as you can see here, 905. Very nice on Google, and looks solid. It could still rally higher, maybe take some profits here, and now looking for an all-time high. Last chart we're going to look at, Netflix. Up 3.5% for the day. Very choppy trade. We broke this descending trend line, and looks like it wants to go to test this previous highs here around 248. But again, choppy trade. You could say that we're consolidating around this area, but it's hard to trade it here so far because it's been up and down over 3% a couple of days so far.